What's going on, y'all? Restoring a Princess. It's your boy G Money, and today is the day we've been waiting for 7 years. The opening, the grand opening of the Princess Juliana International Airport. We got parliamentarians, we got prime ministers, we got presidents. We even have Princess Beatrix here once again to open up the Princess. So sit back, relax, don't go nowhere. The day is finally here for Restoring a Princess. Gracias. Cheers. Restoring the Princess, and today is the big day. I'm here with the CEO, Mr. Brian Mingo. Do I say congratulations yet? I know we didn't start the ceremony yet, but
yeah,
I gotta say congratulations.
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah,
so this day has finally come. 7 years, we've been waiting, and today's the day.
Today is the day that we tell the world we've completed it, and St. Maarten is back open for business, reopened for business.
Correct. Now, we was kind of open already, but we still had to put the finishing touches on the Princess, is that correct?
Yeah, but you had to have a ceremony. You know, you got to celebrate all the hard work.
True.
Come together and, you know, look at what you've done, and then tell the rest of the world, listen, come and see us. Because I think we really set the bar of airports, what we did here. It's a small airport, it's all under one terminal. We have one runway, still we push up to 2 million passengers. So it's a good story, you know, it's a good story.
Now we have opening with the Princess Beatrix.
Yes.
She opened the airport when it first opened, the new design. Now she's back. How difficult was it to get her to come back for the opening?
Well, you know, where there's a will, there's a way. And she was in the region anyhow. We asked, my team asked, and she came, and she was really, you know, she's forthcoming, and she decided, yes, you want to be part of this. It also shows the interest from the Netherlands, the role they played to get St. Maarten back on its feet. And I think that's very important for us to all consider, because the problem was a big problem. And we looked for help, and we got this help. And you know, you need to sometimes acknowledge that.
So what's next now for the Princess? As we mentioned when we first met, you said to me, I'll never forget this, the first meeting, we got to put the crown back on the Princess.
Yes.
And I think we're there now with the crown.
Yes.
But now that we have the crown on the Princess, what's next for Princess Juliana International Airport?
Well, the first thing I said, for 2025, we have to learn this new airport. We have to perfect that product, that passenger experience. So, you know, the team build a new airport. Now let's understand this airport and let's get that finesse feature and make that a 10. So, because remember, we also facilitate the ultra luxury in St. Bart's and Anguilla and these other islands. We need to improve that product because we only not facilitate St. Maarten and the French side, we also do these other islands. Getting that product to that perfect level with Win Air, that's one. And then once we have understood this and perfected it, I think then we go and look to expand it and, you know, do more with this airport. There's a lot of stuff to do with this airport. But that's for the next CEO.
Okay, all right. For the next CEO.
Yes, my job here is done.
So you're done, you're finished.
My job is finished. I came here, I made a promise, I delivered. That was my job.
So now you're gonna go fishing?
I'm gonna do something interesting.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna do something interesting.
Aviation-wise?
No, not aviation-wise. I'm gonna do something interesting, but we'll see. We'll see.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
It's been a long trip, but a fruitful trip, and now we're seeing the fruits of everyone's labor here at the airport.
Thanks for having me, and you know, it's something we need to do. We need to better St. Maarten, and I think this is one of the products that showcase that we can improve St. Maarten.
Keep it right here for Restoring a Princess. We got a whole lot more coming.
Please help me welcome Mr. Brian Mingo. Mr. Mingo.
Welcome to our beautiful airport. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. Today, we celebrate the completion of a reconstruction project, an achievement that took 7 years to complete. It sounds long, but behind this project is a very great story.
Well, y'all, that's gonna do it. The Princess, Her Royal Highness, came here to open up the Princess Juliana International Airport once again. And the Princess is almost restored. We got some little finishing touches that we have to do, but it's officially opened by Her Highness. Hey, keep it right here. We got a lot more things coming up on Restoring a Princess. And like I said, we're celebrating 80 years. So click that button and continue to follow us. Until next time, this is G Money.